Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2000 Suzuki SV650. This bike has 23,800 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Front tire appears to be in good shape, looks like there's a lot of life left in that. And really the only aftermarket item I see on it are the bar end mirrors. I don't think that's an aftermarket pipe, but it's possible it could be. It's awful clean. Rear tire too, good shape, plenty of life left in that. And bar end mirrors. Almost looks to me like it's got an extra thick seat on it. Look comfy. Alright. 26802 is what's on it. Gotta set the camera down here. This 2000 SV650 will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.